In this video, I'm going to teach you how to tilt an image in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either end up on the Canva home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now from here, navigate over to the left-hand column and click on projects. Once inside projects, you'll be able to see all of your projects, the ones that you're currently working on in past projects. So what you want to do next is click on the project that you would like to tilt an image in. And when you do that, it will open in the Canva editor window. So once you see your image, simply just click on the image, and when you do this, you will see at the bottom of the image a tilt arrow icon. So what you need to do is click on this tilt arrow, and you can now rotate your image and give it the exact tilt that you would like. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you had any issues during the process, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.